Welcome back to our channel PartsHnC. In this video, we'll examine some of the most common HVAC parts that fail, and more importantly, how you can prevent these failures to keep your system running smoothly. Let's start with the compressor, often called the heart of the HVAC system. Compressors can fail due to electrical issues, low refrigerant, or lack of lubrication. To avoid this, check refrigerant levels regularly and ensure no dust buildup around the unit could cause overheating. Next up, we have the condenser coil. Dirt and debris build up on the condenser coil over time, making it less effective and forcing the system to work harder. A quick fix? Clean it every few months to keep airflow clear. Another common issue is with the fan motor. Over time, dust and grime clog up the motor, causing it to overheat and burn out. A simple cleaning routine and occasional lubrication will help prevent this. Then there's the capacitor, which stores energy to kickstart the motor. Capacitors often fail under high temperatures, so check these if you notice frequent HVAC cycling. Replacing them every few years can save you from unexpected breakdowns. The blower motor also deserves attention. If the airflow is weak or the motor sounds louder than usual, it could be due to a worn-out belt or clogged air filter. Replacing belts when worn and cleaning filters regularly will extend its life. Lastly, let's talk about the thermostat. A faulty thermostat can cause your HVAC system to turn on and off inconsistently, wasting energy. Replacing batteries or upgrading to a smart thermostat can help prevent these issues. Regular maintenance checks can prevent most of these failures. Just a bit of time spent maintaining these key components will help your HVAC system last longer, run efficiently, and keep repair costs low.